Nestled in the serene landscapes of Santa Fe, Nueva Vizcaya, the Mountain of Mercy stands as a beacon of faith and devotion. Here, amidst the natural beauty, pilgrims near and far journey to find solace presence of the Divine Mercy and Our Lady of Fatima tenderly and compassionately watching over her devoted children, and to receive the blessings of love and mercy.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Father Ber Mendoza, OFM, na naka-assign sa lugar na ito. Ang bayan pong Santa Fe ay namula sa salitang Holy Faith o banal na pananampalataya. Kaya po napakaganda ng lugar na ito na maging daan ng lugar na kung saan para ranasan natin na tayo may pananampalataya o maging daluyan ito ng pananampalataya natin na maranasan natin ang pagmamahal at awa ng Diyos. Dito po matatagpuan ang parokya ng Our Mother of Perpetual Help Parish, ang kapilya ng Divine Mercy at ang imahe ng Divine Mercy na may taas na 38 talampakan. Ngayon din po ang grotto ng Our Lady of Fatima. At sa kasalukuyan ay pinapagawa po o sinasaayos ang daan ng krus o Way of the Cross. Ang life size po nito upang lahat ng mananampalataya na pupunta rito ay makaranas ng awa at habag ng Diyos. Kaya po ang lugar nito ay tinatawag na naming Mountain of Mercy.
I am Mother of Mercy. My motherly task has been that of giving you Jesus, who is the revelation of the merciful love of the Father. Thus, in order to come to you, Divine Mercy has passed through the way of my divine and immaculate motherhood. I am Mother of Mercy. To me was entrusted the task of preparing humanity to receive the heavenly dew of Divine Mercy. You must do your part as the Heavenly Father does His. Your action must be espoused to that of Divine Providence, that the work may produce its fruit in those goods which are useful for the sustaining of your life, for the enrichment of the family itself, in such a way that its members can always enjoy spiritual and material well-being. You behold my marvels in every part of the world. Look at the hearts and the souls of all these children of mine. They are so faithful to Jesus, so devoted to me, and so united to the Church. I have a great design on these people. They please me with their simplicity, their devotion, their great poverty, their humility and patience. Your coming is a sign of my special presence at their side.
May the Mountain of Mercy continue to inspire and enlighten, guiding all who visit towards a path of peace, love, and divine grace.
Kaya nga po, ang lugar din ito ay nagkaroon na po kami ng tinatawag pong first at third Sunday Healing Mass po sa mga tao, mga kapatid po natin na nangangailangan ng kagalingan. Sino man pong pari ang narito ay nagbibigay po ng dalangin at dasal para po sa kagalingan. Kaya po mga kapatid, kami ay nag-aanyaya sa inyo, pumunta na po kayo dito sa Mountain of Mercy, dito po sa Santa Fe, Nueva Vizcaya. Tulungan nyo rin po kami na maisakatuparan na ito ay maging isang pilgrim site o pilgrim church upang tayong lahat ay makaranas ng habag ng Panginoong Diyos. Ano man pong tulong na pinansyal para po sa pagsasaayos nito ay malugod po namin pasasalamatan at ang Diyos na po ang bahalang magpalit sa inyo ng siksik, liglig at umapaw. Dahil ano man po ang gawin natin sa kanyang tahanan o sa kanyang kapwa-tao, ang Diyos po ay nakakakita nito at ibabalik po ito ng siksik at liglig at umaapaw. Muli po, aasahan po namin ang inyong pagbisita sa Mountain of Mercy. Pagpalain po kayo ng poong may kapal.